Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your GMC Terrain key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help open the fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. Now, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key. Pull the emergency key out completely. Next, find the seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this seam and gently twist to pry the case open. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of which way the positive side is facing. Usually, it's facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely closed. Reinsert your emergency key. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.